Hello everybody, my name is JC and I'm the Senior Director of Research and Development here at Re-Nuble. Today I want to talk to you about our ReNu Terra microgreen mats and go over some of the frequently asked questions that people have for us and just address them all one by one. Now, microgreen mats in general, I would say, are not reusable because once you've had a crop grow in them, they fill up with roots. It's impossible to get the roots out, and they provide debris basically that pathogens can consume and then kind of get established and cause disease to the crop. So the idea is that these are single use, and luckily ours are easily compostable in any type of compost, residential or commercial. So you simply lay them out flat or tear them into pieces and layer them in your compost and forget about them basically. They'll degrade within a couple of months completely and turn back into soil.